No lies. I'm not here to bring you down, but I'm here to point out some facts to you. Do you remember this quoting from the Bible? He that exalted themselves shall be abased, and he that humble themselves shall be exalted. From time to time, I see you exalting yourself, hyping up. You are the fastest man, and this and that. And all these exaltation. You couldn't prove yourself at the Paris Olympic. So why exalted yourself and cannot prove yourself? Now listen to this now, guys. He's a talented man, and you're very fast. But I acknowledge that you want to be like Usain Bolt or be even better than Usain Bolt, which nothing is wrong with that. But from my point of view, you are not in the position, you are not qualified to be like Usain Bolt or be better than Usain Bolt. You have a long way to go. And I think you need to humble yourself. Stop flip up and flap like dolphin on water tap. You now have this narrative where you think you're the greatest, you're the best, and all these things. Nothing wrong with that for thinking that, but you have to prove it to the people. Now you go to the Paris Olympic, and actually, they stole the 100 meter from Kishian Thompson and give it to you. That was evident to see. And you're straining yourself to be better than Usain Bolt or be like Usain Bolt. Now you enter the 200 meter race. And when you run out, you was jumping till your head almost scraped the sky. And in that 200 meter race, you finish at 3rd place. So why are you exalting yourself like that and you cannot prove it? Now listen to this now, lyles. Why every time you lose a race, you always find some excuse? If it's not the gun, it's the wind. If it's not the wind, it's something else. And now you lost the 200 meter race in Paris. You're blaming it on COVID. Well, if you really have COVID, I would say speedy recovery. Because when it comes to sickness, we don't play with that. So if you really have COVID, speedy recovery, get better quick. But if you really have COVID, why are you among other athletics people? Why are you racing? Why are you hugging people? How the authorities of the 2024 Olympic in Paris allow that to happen? It's not making any sense to me. But anyway, my message to you, lyles. Humble yourself if you want to be exalted. Me! Shocking Morris said that.